Huawei unveiled the Huawei P40 series to the world a few days back, and it delivers on everything the P series stands for: high-end performance and a fantastic camera wrapped up in a gorgeous design that other phones will soon follow. Here are our favorite features from the Huawei P40 Pro. The Huawei P series is always known for its stylish phones, and the Huawei P40 Pro continues that trend. The phone features a quad curve overflow display with curved glass at all four edges, including the top and bottom. This is reminiscent of water overflowing from the rim of a filled cup. This is a gorgeous matte silver frost variant, and it's also available in a glossy black finish here in the UAE. As you can see, this design exudes classical elegance no matter how you look at it. The Huawei P40 Pro is powered by the Kirin 990 5G chipset, which is the only flagship chipset with an integrated 5G modem. Competing phones have to use an external 5G model, which affects performance and power consumption. Huawei continues to support both non-standard architecture and standard architecture 5G modes, making it work with current and future versions of 5G. The P series has always impressed with camera technology, and the Huawei P40 pushes this even further with its Ultra Vision Leica quad camera. The setup on the back includes 50 megapixel Ultra Vision wide camera, a 40 megapixel ultra wide cine camera, a 12 megapixel 5x optical telephoto camera, and a TOF camera. This allows you to take stunning ultra low light and ultra slow motion videos. Huawei was one of the first companies to add AI capabilities to its phone cameras, and with the P40 Pro it's pushed even further. The audio zoom feature lets you focus the audio to match where your camera is zooming into. There's also a golden snap feature that uses AI algorithms to choose the best frames from a moving picture. It also allows you to remove an unwanted passerby from your photos. The Huawei P40 Pro is powered by Android 10 operating system with EMUI 10.1 running on top of it. This allows for a wide range of new features for a richer and seamless AI life. It also comes with Huawei App Gallery and Huawei Mobile Services. Working in close collaboration with global developers, Huawei offers a wide range of global and local apps on App Gallery, Huawei's official app marketplace and one of the top 3 app platforms in the world. The Huawei P40 Pro is now available for 3,499 dirhams.